Welcome to YouTube, where today we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated revivals in automotive history, the 2026 Mazda RX-7. Yes, it's finally here, and Mazda has done something truly special with this iconic nameplate. The rotary legend is back, reimagined for the modern era but still deeply rooted in the soul of JDM performance. Now, let's get straight to what everyone's talking about, that engine. Under the hood, the 2026 RX-7 brings back the rotary heart, this time as a brand new 16X twin-rotor hybrid system. It delivers an impressive 400 horsepower, blending the high-revving thrill of a rotary with the instant torque of electric motors. The result? A driving experience that's razor-sharp, smooth, and shockingly fast. 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, and it sounds absolutely insane doing it. But performance is only part of the story. The RX-7 has always been about purity, balance, and handling. And Mazda nailed it again. Built on a lightweight rear-wheel drive platform, the new RX-7 weighs just under 3,000 pounds. It's nimble, responsive, and connects with the driver in a way that few modern cars can. The 50/50 weight distribution, adaptive suspension, and precise steering make it a dream on twisty roads and track corners alike. Visually, the 2026 RX-7 strikes the perfect balance between heritage and innovation. The low-slung body, aggressive front fascia, and wide fenders give it a bold presence. Mazda's Kodo design language is on full display here, sleek, modern, and emotionally engaging. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And for fans of the original FD, there are subtle callbacks in the body lines and taillight design that will make you smile. Inside, the RX-7 is minimalistic yet premium. The driver-focused cockpit wraps around you with a mix of Alcantara, carbon fiber, and digital interfaces. It features a 10.3-inch center display with Mazda's latest infotainment system, and a digital gauge cluster that adapts in real time based on your driving mode. You also get essentials like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a surprisingly punchy Bose sound system, just in case you get tired of hearing that rotary whine, but let's be honest, you won't. Now, let's talk price. The base model starts at around $52,000, and fully loaded, it can touch $65,000. That puts it squarely in competition with the new Nissan Z Nismo, Toyota GR Supra, and even the Porsche Cayman, but none of them offer the kind of emotional engagement and rotary legacy that the RX-7 does. In conclusion, the 2026 Mazda RX-7 isn't just a comeback, it's a rebirth done right. It honors its roots while embracing the future. Whether you're a die-hard rotary fan or just someone looking for a true driver's car in a digital age, this RX-7 delivers in every way. So what do you think? Has Mazda redefined the JDM king? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-octane reviews. Thanks for watching.